Balthazar, 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 Balthazar.
In the middle of Professor Balthazar's town, there was a most unusual cottage. It was pink with green flowers painted all over it. Leo, the painter, lived here. He painted diligently, working from dawn till dark. All of his paintings showed the same pattern. This was Leo's original and very personal style. Leo was rather lonesome. His one and only friend was Professor Balthazar. Unfortunately, nobody but Professor Balthazar cared for Leo's paintings. So Leo had to start looking for a job. First, he tried his hand at house painting. Then he tried painting pedestrian crossings. After that, he took a job repainting worn-out stripes on zebras at the zoo. But everywhere he failed. Nobody, absolutely nobody, cared for his green-on-pink flower patterns. His art remained his only solace. He suffered in poverty, but he was certain that the day must come when people would recognize the full beauty of his form of artistic expression. It was the day before Leo's birthday. Professor Balthazar wanted to give him a very special present. But nothing special in the way of an idea seemed to occur to him. Then suddenly, he had it. He invented the instant flower pot, just the right gift for Leo. Happy birthday, Leo, Professor Balthazar cried, and invited him to a special birthday treat. It was the happiest birthday of Leo's life. A few days later, "What a lovely flower!" exclaimed Florian the butterfly. "Oh, what beautiful butterflies, said Leo admiringly. It was friendship at first sight. Now Professor Balthazar's birthday approached, and Leo wanted to give him something nice. Balthazar's birthday party was broadcast in color TV all over the world. And so millions of people were watching as Leo entered with his birthday present. The professor was all excited, and when the curtain rose, everybody was thrilled. TV cameras broadcast their dance to millions of delighted spectators. Next morning, the TV station was flooded with enthusiastic letters. Overnight, the Florian Show became the most popular TV program, and in its wake, a new craze swept and conquered the world. Green on pink flower patterns were seen everywhere, even in the most unlikely places. And of course, Leo's paintings became extremely famous. Nevertheless, he went on living in the same little cottage with his flowers and his butterfly friends. And they, in turn, were happiest when they were doing their famous number, Just for Leo.
Balthazar, Balthazar,